Hello, my name is Camilo Andrés Barco Suarez. I am studying telecommunication engineering and I am in my first semester. Linear equations. Linear equations are fundamental tools in sense for describing relationship and process calculating velocities and converting units of measurement. What are linear equations? They are equations involving coefficient and scalar variables. Variables are raised to the power of 1. They are products of powers of variables. They can be written as A do mx mod b. How are they used in sense? They are used to represent physical problems involving the resolution chip. When several properties, they are used to calculate velocities, shoes at the speed of projectiles or chain reaction. Inequalities. Systems of inequalities are applied in various fields of sense and everyday life, such as financial planning, scheduling, and decision making. In science, imbuing inequalities are used to calculate costs, revenue, or profits. In the social science system of linear inequalities are used to solve problems involving two or more unknowns. In every life, in personal finance, inequalities are used to establish a budget, compare costs of events. How to solve system inequalities solve age inequality superiorly. Find the solution of planning for age inequality. The solution share the system in the interlocation or common region of the solution and inequalities. Thank you.